Hello guys, welcome once again to this channel. If you're a regular visitor, welcome back to this channel, and if you're a regular visitor and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button um to get notifications and turn on the notification bell to be able to be notified when I upload a new video. This channel is basically for graphic design. Whether you're a pro, whether you're a beginner, it doesn't really matter. You can get more inspirations and also master graphic design using this channel. All right, so this moment I'll be teaching you how you can be able to design a crypto flyer, a very nice crypto flyer. So the size I'll be using here is this square size. That is you can call it 1:1, you can call it 100:100, as long as it's a square size. So I'll have to like change the background because I will not like to use this background. So I can just go to my gallery and pick the background I downloaded for the design. I can So I'll pick this background, and because I'm using a square size, I'll just choose this 1:1 from here. Then I can just move this to the edge depending on my choice actually. So you can do it any way you want. So I've changed the background. I'll just have to import the image I'll be using for this design. So I can go to my gallery and then I'll pick the image from here. Because of the workspace is too large, I would like to like crop it out to reduce the workspace. Good. Then I'll just rotate this image like this, and I'll increase the size so that it can fit in like this. I might simply increase the size more, and I'll place it here. I'll place it here. Let's see how this goes. I'll place this here, and then I'll select this image too and go to color filters. You can see where color filters is. Go to these color filters and increase the saturation. I'll just reduce the saturation like this. Instead of increasing it like this, I'll reduce it like this. And then this hue, I'll just increase the hue like this, and I'll mark it good. All right, so the next thing I'll do here, I'll import the other materials. So I can go to my gallery and I'll pick this, mark it good. So in case well, when I downloaded most of these materials, they were with backgrounds. They had a lot of backgrounds, so I edited them myself and removed the background. So just stick with me in this channel because I'll be uploading more videos on how you can be able to edit backgrounds that are like this very neat background that doesn't spoil the image. I'll upload video on that very soon, so stick with me. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. So I can just place this crypto logo here. I'll place it here and then move it to back. I'll also copy it and I'll place this one here. I'll place this one here and move it to the back also. All right, so the next thing I'll add here is, I can shift this like this, just trying to adjust it to suit my choice. The next thing I will do here is I'll have to add the text. So I'll go to my text and I'll edit this text and write the name of probably the owner of this flyer. Let's just say James. Okay, so I'll increase the size of this and go to my AB fonts and select the font I would like to use for this. So I can just use this Bebas font. Can use this Bebas font and make it bold, and also go down to stroke, add a stroke to it. I'll be adding this blue color stroke, increase it a bit like this. Good. So I'll just rotate the size of this and increase the size. I'll increase the size so that it can fit in into this place. It won't be blocking the Bitcoin logo and it can fit in very well. Rotate it like this. So I'll pick another text from here. I'll go to my text again then edit this text. This time around I'll be adding the exchange word here. Bring it down just like I did in the first one, and I'll have to increase the size a little bit. Then go down to AB font, and I would like to select this particular font. Good. Then reduce the size like this so that it can fit in under these gems so that they can rhyme together. All right. Then go to my color. I'll go to my color, pick this blue color, and highlight this X that is here because the emphasis is on exchange, and change the color to red. Also go to my background color, enable it, and then go down to white. I'll change the color to white, and go to padding. Increase the right padding like this. You can see that you can just increase it like this. Good. So I'm done with this. I'll move this text to the back. All right. So I'll just place it very well under here, and then add another text to it, the details of this flyer. I will edit this and then impute it, which is we buy and sell all kinds the currencies and the rest cryptocurrencies and let's say gift cards. All right, so I'll go to my bold. I want this font to look very bold and visible. Enable the bold and rotate it also to rhyme with these ones. Reduce the size, and I can simply place it here. Based on my choice, I'll decide to maybe increase the size a bit too and place it here. Good. So I'll go to shapes and select this square shape. I can reduce the width like this and increase the radius like this. Then rotate it. I'll rotate this so that it will rhyme also with these ones. You see that the line like this, so it will rhyme. I'll just reduce the size of this. Can reduce the size, reduce it like this, and go to color. So I'll be going to my color here. I will enable the color, and I'll be picking this blue color, or better still, I would like to pick this one. Good. So go to my stroke. I can enable the stroke and probably shift it to width 1. All right, you can increase this again. So let me increase this one a bit. I'll go to my fonts, increase the size so it will be more visible. Then this, I'll place it here and copy it again. So I'll copy this and change the color. Go down to color. I'll be picking a yellow color at this point and reduce the size so that it will fit inside this particular one. Good. So I would like to use this font, so I can just copy this text from here. Can just copy it and edit. I'll be inputting the phone number of this particular person, so I can just use this as the phone number and place it here. So increase the size like this and simply rotate it also to be able to fit into this place. So I'll just increase the size, then I'll place it here. Then I'll go to my gallery. I want to be picking a material from my gallery here, so I can just go to my gallery So you can also check the description for all these materials. There is a link there, a drive link that contains most of them. You can also access these materials from there and also download them. So I'll just add this WhatsApp button at the end like this. I can simply shift this a bit. Good. So the next text I'll add there, I'll have to copy this too because I would like to use this and I'll edit. So I'll be inputting the text I want to put here, which is your one reliable vendor. Okay. I'll change the color, go down to color, and I'll be selecting a dark color. Let me select black. I'll be selecting black color and go to align. I would like to align it to the middle and then go to line spacing. I would like to reduce the line spacing like this. So I'll just shift this to this point and make sure it enters this space. Good. So I'll have to copy this text again because I would like to add one other information about this flyer and just add legit, secure, and active. Good. I'll bring this here. Then I'll reduce the size, go to size, reduce the size to make it, to be very tiny, and go to spacing. Go to spacing, then I'll space out the words, the letters this way, and also I'll go down to shadow, enable the shadow, choose a blue color, and also enable this. Good. So I can now place it under this place. You can see how amazing this flyer is. Now we are done with this flyer, so I can just save it to my gallery. I'll save it as image, and I'll choose the formats I want to save this design. I'll be saving with PNG and I'll be saving with medium, so I can just save it to my gallery. So if this video is useful to you, don't forget to share this video, share it to your friends, to people who you know that might need this video, that want to learn graphic design but doesn't probably have the fund to fund the course, or probably don't have the means. You can share this video to them and also subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get notifications when I upload new videos concerning different types of designs. All right, so you don't miss out. I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section, how useful this video is to you. You can share your comments. Have you ever tried to design something like this? You can share your comments so I'll be able to know your experiences and all of that. Or if you need any video you want me to do tutorial on, you can also share it in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thank you once again, and I'll be expecting you in my next video.